Hello, my name is Bernd Herth, and I'm working in NetApp's Competency Center at SAP headquarters in Walldorf. Today I'd like to show you how to define and implement your backup strategy for SAP HANA using SnapCenter 3.0. Please be aware that this is still using the beta version, so have a look at the legal disclaimers. Let's start having a look at our system setup. At our primary data center, we want to take hourly backups every 4 hours and want to keep them for 2 days. In addition, we'd like to take daily backups, which we keep 2 days on the primary side, but for up to 30 days on a backup data center, where we can use them for system cloning and other purposes. In addition to these application consistent snapshot backups, we use file-based backup as block integrity check, where we automatically schedule one file-based backup per week in an override mode. In this video, we want to focus on configuring the snapshot-based application consistent backups only. Let's switch to SnapCenter to create the required policies. We will start with the hourly policy, so we give them a name and a description. We select hourly in the next settings. Then we have to enter the retentions for manual and for the scheduled. Be aware that manuals and schedule will count different, so we focus here on the scheduled hourly backups. That's it for the settings, so we finish that to save it and start to create the daily policy. This time we want to use SnapVault for replication. So first we start with a name, we select daily. We can keep here 2 snapshots for manual and 2 for the automated backup, because we want to keep only the 2 days on the primary side. Important here is to select the label we want to use. So daily is fine. That label need to be used also in ONTAP when we set the protection mode. So let's go to System Manager and create a new protection. First we select the source and the destination volume. The destination volume could be created newly. We select the aggregate, and here, most important, we have to define the new policy and have to add a label that fits to our policy we have previously defined in SnapCenter. So it's important here to choose daily, and we also select the retention we want to use at the vault site. So that's our 30 days or 4 weeks here at the vault site. With that, we don't schedule it from System Manager, but let SnapCenter do the scheduling for us. The policy will be created and the initial transfer will be started, and we have to wait until it's finalized. Then everything is ready to continue in SnapCenter. In SnapCenter, let's go to the resource and modify the protection. In our example, we have already added the file-based backup, and we used our naming convention we have discussed in our technical report. Important here, since this is a fiber channel setup, we have to add a little script that implements a wait so that the metadata gets be updated in the XFS file system. With this special settings for fiber channel systems, we now come to the scheduling part. First, we select the previously configured policies, and then we add the scheduling, meaning the start time and the number, how often we want to repeat it. So in our case, that's all every 4 hours or for the hourly backups. And in the daily backup, we want to do it once per day. We only have to select the start time, this time with that pop-up. And after that, the schedule is ready and our protection is activated. So what we have to do is to wait for our scheduling to happen. So Let's see. First, we start with the hourly backup. You see that our naming convention now reflects the policy and the scheduling method that has been used together with a timestamp. And we can validate this in SAP HANA Studio by checking the comment field for both of the backups of the single tenant MDC system. Going back to SnapCenter, we can now monitor and wait for the next scheduled backup. So after a while, the daily backup will occur. So we see this daily backup as it is on the primary side, but we can also select the backup side and we see only the daily backup is available via the Snap Vault replication. With this, I hope you have a first impression on how easy it is to implement a backup strategy for SAP HANA with SnapCenter 3.0. Thank you.